After the hurdle of saying hello, you will probably want to tell people your name. To do this, you're going to say ismi, then your name. My name is Michael is ismi Michael. Ismi is composed of ism, which means name, and suffix e, which means my. Ismi. Now, introduce yourself to me. We'll give you 3 seconds. واسمي Michael. tcharafna. If I want to inquire about your name, I will say shoo ismak if you are a male or shoo ismek if you're a female. Can you guess what are the suffixes for your in Arabic? Well done. We add ak to ism for boys, ismak, and ik for girls, ismek. Shoo means what? Again, shoo ismak.
ismi Nemo.
Shoo ismek.
ismi Noora.
Now you're going to talk to 4 characters. Ask them what the name is before the answer. We will give you 3 seconds to think. Then characters will answer.
اسمي ميلا.
ismi Nemo.
اسمي محمد.
ismi Noora.